Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to know the size of your image here in Canva, which is really useful if you're creating product images, banners, or graphics for your Shopify store. Now, if you're talking about the background, the canvas, well, that's very simple and something you'll want to check to make sure your design fits the platform you're publishing on. We come up to File just here, and then we're going to see the size just here. Now this is 1920 by 1080, which is a common size for things like website banners and videos. But if you're on about actual images, there is a way we can do this. However, we can only do it on our own uploaded images and not Canva images. And I'll show you that as well so you know exactly what's possible. But if we click onto the image, come to the three dots, then come down to Info. We then want to click on Details. If I click on Details, then this is going to pop open on the left-hand side. And if we look just here, we can see the size, the dimensions of this image. And this is 1920 by 1080. This is especially helpful if you need to make sure an image meets Shopify or social media size requirements. Now this was just an image I put on this canvas, downloaded it, and back uploaded it just so I can show you how to find the size of your image. But if we do it on a Canva image, we don't have that option. So if I click on here, come to the three dots, come to Info, we can see we don't have that detailed section because again, it only works on images you've uploaded yourself and not Canva. This is something to keep in mind when you're choosing between Canva's stock images and your own product photos. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to know the size of your image here in Canva now. Knowing this can save you time and help avoid blurry or stretched images on your store or marketing materials. If you found it helpful, give it a quick like. It really helps support the channel. If you want more simple, practical Canva tutorials to improve your designs, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you're not sure what to watch next, check out the playlist on screen right now for more step-by-step Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.